Have you ever wondered why defensible architecture matters? Picture this. A thriving digital company, let's call it TechFuture, was sailing smoothly in the vast ocean of the internet. But then, out of nowhere, a giant iceberg in the form of a cyber attack hit them. Their ship, lacking a strong defensive architecture, couldn't withstand the impact. TechFuture was a beacon of innovation, boasting an impressive portfolio of high-tech solutions. They were a force to be reckoned with, yet they overlooked one crucial aspect: a defensible architecture. Like a castle without a moat, they were left exposed, an easy target for the cunning cyber predators lurking in the digital wilderness. The breach was catastrophic. Sensitive data leaked, customer trust shattered, and the company's reputation took a nosedive. It was a harsh wake-up call for TechFuture. They realized that their lack of a defensible architecture had left them vulnerable, a lesson learned the hard way. So, why does defensible architecture matter? It's the digital equivalent of a fortress's walls, a submarine's hull, or a knight's armor. It's the first line of defense, the barrier that keeps the unwanted out. Without it, any attacker can waltz right in, wreaking havoc and leaving destruction in their wake. A defensible architecture is about more than just security. It's about resilience. It's about bouncing back after a breach, about learning and adapting. It's about having a plan B, C, and D ready to roll out when plan A fails. A defensible architecture is like a chess game. It's about thinking several moves ahead, anticipating your opponent's strategies and having countermeasures ready. In the world of cybersecurity, a defensible architecture is not a luxury, it's a necessity. It's the difference between weathering the storm or sinking under the pressure. TechFuture's story serves as a stark reminder of the importance of a defensible architecture. It's not enough to have a sturdy ship. You need a competent crew and a well-planned route to navigate the treacherous waters of the digital sea. To sum up, a defensible architecture is indispensable. It's your shield and sword in the battle against cyber threats. It's about being proactive, not reactive. And most importantly, it's about ensuring that your ship, no matter how sturdy and well-built, is ready to face any iceberg that comes its way. To learn more about defensible architecture and other fascinating tech topics, subscribe to @Demystify Tech. Stay safe, stay informed, and remember, a ship is only as strong as its captain. So arm yourself with knowledge and steer your ship safely through the digital sea.